Hello everyone, and welcome to the third episode of Basdoescrochet. Today I'm going to teach you two things: how to double crochet and how to turn a double crochet row. You'll need a ball of yarn, a crochet hook, and yourself. You'll also need to know how to tie a slip knot and how to chain. If you don't, check out this video first and come back when you're ready. Before we begin, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel with your notifications turned on to be alerted when new videos come out. First, let's tie a slip knot and make 12 chain. For the first row of double crochet, we'll need to start in the third chain from the hook, as I'm showing you here, and we'll be going into the back loop. If you would like a more in-depth explanation about which loop to go into and stitch cramping, check out this video in the cards. This video is also helpful for understanding the fundamentals of the stitch I'll show you today. To make the double crochet, you'll need to bring your hook under, up and around, and then insert it into the loop. You will now see that there are 3 loops on the hook. Don't panic, there are supposed to be 3. Now we can use our skills of single crochet. Bring your hook under, up and around and pull it through the first loop. You should still have 3 loops on your hook. Do the same thing again, but this time pull it through the first 2 loops of the hook, leaving 2 loops there as a result. Do exactly the same thing a second time, leaving 1 loop on the hook. We have now made our first double crochet stitch. Now do the same thing all the way down the row. Put your yarn around your hook, insert the hook into the stitch, bring the yarn through 1 loop, bring the yarn through the first 2 loops, and bring the yarn through both loops. Put your yarn around the hook, insert the hook into the stitch, bring the yarn through 1 loop, bring the yarn through the first 2 loops, and bring the yarn through both loops. As always, speed will come with practice. Once you are at the end of the row, turn your project around like this. To start the second row, chain 2 to prevent stitch cramping. Now that we have done the first row, we can move on to inserting our hook through both loops like this. To make the double crochet, put your yarn around your hook, insert the hook into the stitch, bring the yarn through 1 loop, bring the yarn through the first 2 loops, and bring the yarn through both loops. I hope you found this video helpful and that you now know 1. How to double crochet, and 2. How to turn a double crochet row. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe to Basdoes and hit the notification bell to be alerted when I publish new content. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to half double crochet and how to turn a half double crochet row. See you next time!